Before starting the installation, the entire interior surface must then be cleaned and prepared, inspecting the container and removing any imperfections. Lashing rings, bolts, and contact points are carefully protected with cardboard and adhesive tape. Once the container has been prepared, the protective cardboard sheets are installed on the walls, overlapping each sheet by 15 centimeters until the entire surface is covered. The protective cardboard sheets are then placed on the container floor. The next step is to install the telescopic bar and secure it properly. It is important to remove your shoes to avoid damaging the material. Position the Flexitank 1.5 meters from the telescopic bar and unrolled with the valve facing towards it. The valve is checked to ensure correct operation, and the valve straps are installed in their corresponding slots. The securing rope is attached to the container wall, and the support legs and the second reinforcing bar is installed. The MDF panel is prepared with its straps and installed behind the telescopic bar to reinforce the structure. The rear corners are protected using sections cut from the cardboard box, which are then secured with adhesive tape. The installation of all remaining bars and support legs is then completed. Secure the cable ties to the bar. Finally, the previously reserved Flexitank rope is secured to the second up per bar. The location of the studs is determined using the left door as a reference, and all studs are installed. And all stickers, labels, and safety warnings are applied. The Eco 5 system is now fully installed and ready for safe and efficient operation.